Alright, well today we are turning this little ornament on the wood lathe made out of elm. It's just a little cutoff. It's about 3 inches long, 1.5 inches in diameter. I put some threads on it, a little silver tab on it, colored it with a sharpie, and that's what we're gonna turn today. Okay, so if you want to watch me turn this, stick around. Alright, today we are making a Christmas ornament. So I have this insanely unsquare block. It's about 1.5 inches by 3.5. I'm gonna put it between the centers here and see if I can't make it a lot more roundish. And we're gonna hit it with some higher speeds and some fun. Alright, I got it mounted between centers. It's as far out of whack as it can be. I found my smaller tool rest, locked it in so my knife's going to be cutting right about center. I don't know how fast I want to go. We'll just see what it starts to look like. Alright, so I can clearly go a lot faster than that, and I'm using a technique that Richard Graffin taught. You start at the end and just shave it off like that, and then you don't have as many chances for big chips to come flying at you. Although I have my shield on, and that was going pretty reasonable. 1200 RPM, 1200 RPM, I think. But we'll reset this a little bit and make this thing round. Alright, that's pretty awesome. That's a little bullet shape, and I'm going to put it in my jaws. Yeah, so like I said, what I'm going to do is remount it and put the proper size tenon on it so it will fit into my pin jaws. Alright, you can kind of see the shape, and I'm just roughing it out, and I'm a little bit big right here. The base is probably about right. Yep, the base is about right over here. square that off, round out my little Christmas light. And then I'm going to put some grooves in the bottom here. Alright, I got my shape worked out, and now I'm working on some grooves right here. My tiny little tools are really dull. Hardest parts, those grooves. Gee whiz. Yeah, so that just was a total failure. Yeah, so those broke out on me. I'll try them a little bit smaller, be a little bit more careful. Alright, well, everything's an experiment. Let's give this a try. Because of that, not what I wanted to do. Got it. Perfect. You see that perfect catch? Yeah, that'll work. Alright, that's a wrap for this one. Improvements, I could make this a little bit better. I was short and I was up against the tailstock, which makes my knuckles a little bit nervous. Then I put Sharpie on a silver, black, and red. I don't even think I'll put a finish over the top of it. I could put CA over it, but it's just a little fun ornament. Probably get a little wire brass screw, but in the end you can get those over at the Hobby Lobby. Alright, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, tell your mom.